Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going over the sound portion of my game, and I've been looking at Taiko. So in Taiko, when you hit everything, you get a hit sound. And there are two different hit sounds. One for the blue, one for the red. So I was sitting here and I've got a bowl and I accidentally hit the spoon against the edge, like this. And I was like, that could be a great sound for my game. So then I went into Audacity quickly and I hit record and then started doing this. So once I was done doing that, I then edited down the bit I want, which is this, and I wondered how it sounded, which is not playing now, which is great. So then I looked back at this, which is whenever you hit the part, whenever you hit the drum, it makes a sound, and I was like, I need a hit sound, so I then did that, and I'm actually really happy I found this. But then after doing that, I deleted it and thought, why not try hitting the side of the bowl, or the side of the bowl with the spoon, right, with the edge of the spoon, instead of the actual main part of the spoon. So I did. Obviously, it's a much lower sound, but when I was looking at it, it sounded quite nice. So I'm going to look further into this with my research, and I will be looking at more more rhythm games to see what hitboxes they make. So thanks for watching and stay up to date with my project.